Welcome to the lecture series, and this question is related to age problems. Okay, a man is twice as old as his son today, right? So if I am taking the values today, man m current age, so for man is m and for son is s. So first equation is m is equals to 2s. Then it says 10 years ago. So 10 years ago, man's age would be m minus 10, son's age would be s minus 10. So 10 years ago, m minus 10 is how much s minus 10? It says thrice as old as his son. So 3 times the age as his son back then. What is a man's age today? So solving these two equations, simply I can replace this and substitute over here in this part. So it will be 2s minus 10 is equals to 3s minus 30. Similarly, 2s will go over there, 3s will come over here, 30. So 30 minus 10 is equals to 3s minus 2s. So s is equals to simply 20. So they are asking for man's age today. Man's age is equals to m is equals to 2s. So man's age is equals to 40 years. This is the answer. Hope you guys have understood this.